Hi friends, as discussed in first lecture, we are solving the problems on intersection of solid. Today we are going to solve the problems of intersection between cylinder to cylinder. See the example. A cylinder 50 millimeter diameter and 70 millimeter axis is completely penetrated by another cylinder having 40 millimeter diameter and 70 millimeter axis horizontally. Both axes intersect and bisect each other. Draw projection showing curve of intersection. In this problem, there are two cylinders, one cylinder having 50 millimeter dia and second cylinder having 40 millimeter dia. The axis length of both cylinder is same, that is 70 millimeter, and they are penetrating horizontally with each other, and horizontal cylinder bisect the vertical cylinder at the center. We have to draw the projection showing curve of intersection. So we are solving this problem with the help of drafter, protractor, pencil, scale, rounder or compass, etc. These are the drawing instruments. Okay. Okay. Suppose this black pen is the vertical cylinder and brown pen is the horizontal cylinder. They are intersecting with each other horizontally. Okay, so we are going to solve the problem of intersection. Set the mini drafter at 0 position. Then first draw the reference axis, that is XY axis. Name it as X and Y. Okay, first we have to draw the front view, top view and side view of the vertical cylinder. then we will draw the horizontal cylinder with intersection. First take the diameter of the vertical cylinder which is given in the problem, that is 50 millimeter dia. Take 25 millimeter distance in compass as a radius and draw a circle with the help of compass in the top view as shown in figure. Then draw horizontal line and vertical line passing through the center of the circle. We have to make the 8 equal part of the circle. Before that, give the dimension to the circle 50 millimeter diameter. So, for making 8 equal parts of the circle, with the help of protractor, mark the 45-degree angle on both sides. Then the mark point and center of the point, join the mark point and center point of the circle in both sides. Automatically we get the 8 equal parts of the circle. Name these parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the top view of the cylinder. Then we have to draw the front view. In front side we get a rectangle of the cylinder. So first mark the height, which is 70 millimeter, axis height 70 millimeter, and draw a horizontal line above the reference axis XY. Give the dimension, height dimension 70 millimeter. Then project the point 1 and 5 in front view of the circle. Project the point 1 and point 5 as shown in the figure up to height, and dark the portion of the border. Then project the point as shown in the figure. These are the generators which is passing through point 1, then 2 and 8, then 3 and 7, then 6 and 8, and then 5. If you want to give the name as like A, B, C, D, you can do it. Then give the point, name of the point in the front view, that is 1 dash, 2 dash, 8 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 4 dash, 6 dash, and 5 dash. Also give the numbering in top side of the cylinder, same, that is 1 dash, 2 dash, 8 dash, 3 dash, 7 dash, 4 dash, 6 dash, and 5 dash. Okay, this is the front view and top view of the vertical cylinder. And we have project all the points, that is equal part point to front view from the top side. Then mark 45-degree angle below the reference line, and draw a line, inclined line, which angle is 45 degree. Then project all these points on this line as shown in figure. Then from this inclined line, project this point vertically upward in the side view as shown in this video. Name the point that is 7 double dash, then 6 dash, 8 dash, then 1 dash, 5 dash, 2 dash, 4 dash, and 6 double dash. In the side view, you have to mark this point as double dash. Then project the height from the front view to the side view. Also at the top side, give the numbering as like in bottom side. Okay, this is the side view of the cylinder, vertical cylinder. Then second condition is that another horizontal cylinder having 40 millimeter diameter and axis height 70 millimeter is penetrating through this vertical cylinder, and which bisect this vertical cylinder. Bisect means centrally it bisect the vertical cylinder. So center point of axis is at 35 millimeter. Mark this point and draw a horizontal. Give the dimension 35 millimeter. And from this center point, draw a center line. Then take a distance of 20 millimeter, which is the radius of horizontal cylinder, in the compass. Then draw a circle in the side view. We observe the circle of horizontal cylinder in the side view. Then make the equal part of this circle also. Take 45 degree angle on both sides. Join these points and do 8 equal parts of this circle. Also name it, give the name 1 dash 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then project these points horizontally to the front view. The axis height of this horizontal cylinder is same, that is 70 millimeter. So from center point of the vertical cylinder in the front view, mark the point on both sides at a distance 35 millimeter. Center point of the vertical cylinder, distance 35 millimeter. Mark on both sides and draw vertical line and horizontal line, which is the outer line of the horizontal cylinder. But there is some hidden parts which is gone in the intersection. We have to show it in dotted by dotted line. Only visible portion we have to draw straight line. Then we have to mark intersection point as shown in figure. Okay, we have to mark the point of intersection. This point six dash 8 dash point, 6 dash and 8 dash. Here from 6 dash and here vertically from 6, mark on both sides. Then two dash and 4 dash on both sides. So mark the point as shown in this figure, and with the help of French curve join this point. Mark the hidden portion with the help of dotted line. It means this portion is hidden, which is gone into the intersection. Also, we have to draw the top view. We have to draw horizontal cylinder in top view. Mark 20 millimeter and 20 millimeter above and below of the center point. Draw horizontal line from this point. We have taken 20 distance. Why? Because the diameter of the horizontal cylinder is 40 millimeter. So above 20 and below 20. Draw a rectangle as shown in figure. In top view, we observe a rectangle of the horizontal cylinder. Only seen parts have a straight line and hidden parts have dotted line. So we have to show intersection point in top view also. Project the intersection point from front view to top view as shown in figure. Draw dotted line which is hidden. We have to draw intersection point in the top view. And then we have to join this point with the help of French curve as like drawn in the front view. Dark the portion, visible portion, and keep the all constructions line which is faint. Only main lines we have to draw dark. So line of intersection is curve, so it is called as curve of intersection. In case of prism to prism intersection, we got a straight line, so in that case we observe the line of intersection. Here we observe curve of intersection. Name the intersection point as shown in figure. Axis height of horizontal cylinder 70 millimeter. Diameter of the horizontal cylinder, that is 40 millimeter. Thank you.